What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and today we are hanging out along Deer Creek just outside of my hometown, trying to get out and explore as much as possible because we're also doing homeschooling.
Yep, and it's that time of year. All the kids are going back to school, and it's no different for Cade. He's starting kindergarten this year, and we're taking the reins and taking care of it at home.
So this is now our kitchen and Cade's classroom.
Yeah, exactly.
And today we've got a fun one for you that Spencer came up with, and we're going to be making
Barnyard breakfast burgers.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone. Welcome back to Destination Delicious.
Throughout our travels, we've spent lots of time out in nature, of course, and some of that involves going to farms and different barnyards, and Cade has had a lot of hands-on experience getting to learn about the different animals on the farm, way farms work, and things like that. And
he's even gotten to pick a couple of chicken eggs,
yeah,
feed the chickens, which is awesome that he, like you said, gets the hands-on experience.
So I thought about combining breakfast and lunch, a brunch of sorts, and throwing it all together and making a barnyard breakfast burger.
And the first thing we need to do is get our bacon down.
Yep, so let's do that.
There really is nothing like the smell of bacon on a griddle first thing in the morning. It just like gets you ready for the day.
The pig might be my favorite barnyard animal in terms of
what's going on our sandwiches.
Yeah.
So to add a little bit more interest and texture to our breakfast barnyard burgers, we're gonna do crispy cheese rounds. And that means we're gonna put the cheese on the griddle, let them fry up.
Crunchy bacon, crunchy cheese, it's gonna be fantastic. So the next thing to go down is the egg. Next thing to go down are the eggs. Is the eggs. We're putting the eggs on the griddle next.
I like that, let's do that.
We're gonna use our Blackstone silicone rings to make nice, tidy rounds. So we've got the eggs down. I'm gonna break the yolk in Christy's because she's not a fan of like the yolk all in one place.
Our cheese patties are ready, so we're gonna pull those off and set them to the side for now. The eggs are also ready, so Spencer's gonna remove the silicone rings and give them a flip.
I'm gonna flip yours.
Okay, mine's
I like
right
mine
here.
a little bit runny, so I'm gonna leave that sunny side up.
And I'm gonna get started on our burgers. We are gonna use the breakfast blend. I do sometimes now feel guilty using it because whenever we use this seasoning, you guys all comment where you can get it. And I don't know that it's readily available these days, but because we still have it, we're using it today.
I'm gonna get some oil down on the griddle so we can get our smash burgers on.
So our burgers are smashed. We're also gonna do another dusting of the breakfast blend on top.
And the final thing to go on the griddle, since these are barnyard breakfast burgers, instead of traditional hamburger buns, we are using Eggo waffles. And if you grew up in the 80s or 90s, you know Lego, my Eggo is a saying that made you happy in the morning as a kid. Things ready? Time to build our breakfast burgers.
Let's do it. Look at that beauty. What an awesome looking breakfast barnyard burger. And for the final touch, we are going to drizzle some syrup all over our barnyard breakfast burger.
Christy drizzled hers all over with syrup, and just to keep mine a little more beard friendly, I'm just gonna keep it on the inside of the sandwich.
Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Looks so, I mean, there's so much going on with this sandwich, like lots of layers, lots of textures. It's gonna be so good.
All right, let's.
Oh my gosh, dive in here.
Yeah.
Whew, toasty.
Here we go. How about that?
Wow. Look at all of those layers.
It's so good. Breakfast blend kicks the flavor of the eggs up.
And the syrup just adds that sweet to balance all the different flavors of
makes the waffles
heartiness. This is so good.
And then that cheese got good and crispy.
Thank you again for tuning in. We always appreciate you watching. We hope you try this at home and leave us a note in the comments if you do.
Visit blackstoneproducts.com for everything Blackstone griddles and accessories. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new videos from any of the great cooks on the channel.
We're talking about Betty, Bruce, Todd, Nate, CJ, and us.
We are Destination Delicious, and until next time, guys, we will see you down the road.
It's good.